Wait for us. Are you waiting? My goodness. Today, I was so shocked because of this cat that has been following us. He followed us to Main Road. I was like, what? And Isaac was very, very scared. Imagine me be scared. Talk more of children, you know. My goodness. But thank God we've already crossed now. We've already crossed the other side of the Main Road. Hey. I need to cover my big boy. My big boy. Daddy, are you alright? Are you happy, Daddy? Huh? You happy? I have to hold you like this so that I will not be shouting like, hey, stop, everybody stop. I'm going to leave you now. Once I leave him now, he's gonna be straight to park. He's not gonna wait for us again. Daddy. Yes. Oh, is that bed? Bed. Say bed. Bed. Are you going back because of bed? Let's go. What are you pro? Daddy. Oh no. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Are you waiting for us, Isaac? Wait for us. You are not scared again? Big dog. And beautiful one as that. Oh no. Oh no. I'm sorry, Glasson. Glad I come. Let me take off this. Oh yeah. When I say come back, don't forget to come back, oh. Glad. When I say stop, you stop, alright? Good boy. Don't run. See who I say you should not run. You see why I'm always holding him? Let's go. Let's go, Daddy. Glad is leaving us. Glad. You see why I keep holding you? Hey. Glad, wait for us. Let's go. Wow. No, why? Is it because of dog? They are not coming for you. Huh? Dog. Hey, these guys, slow down. We are close to the park. All right. We are close to the park. This is the reason why I always love to hold Glasson, because once he move, his younger brother follows, you know. But thank God we are already in the park. We're in the park. You guys, we made it.